Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gold leaf is probably one of the most versatile and luxurious materials available, used for centuries by artists and architects to add a touch of opulence and elegance to their creations, from gilded frames to intricate detailing on furniture, and even in modern applications like food decoration. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of gold leaf, examining its properties, applications, and helping you determine if it's the right choice for your next project, so you can make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Barnabas Blattgold 24K Gold Leaf. It's made with 30 years of expertise, ensuring high quality, purity, and consistency for your edible decorations. This gold leaf is perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your culinary creations. It's 99% pure gold and 1% silver, providing the ideal consistency. The packaging keeps it pristine during delivery, ready for use. Accredited by the Vegetarian Society, it's perfect for cakes, cupcakes, vegan desserts, and even cocktails. It brings a professional touch to any bakery creation. We've earned trust over the years by providing excellent edible cake decorations and outstanding customer service. Our team is always ready to answer your questions. These smaller sheets are perfect for decorating smaller items. Each 1.5 by 1.5 inch sheet is easy to use and 24 sheets cover approximately 54 square inches. What we like. It's edible and made with 24K gold, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your cakes and desserts. If you're a baker looking for a high-quality, vegan-friendly gold leaf, this is it. It's ideal for adding that special sparkle to cupcakes, cakes, and other confectionery. What people say. The gold foil sheets arrived in a secure package that kept them flat and intact. Each sheet was thin, delicate, and beautifully shiny, making it easy to see the high quality right out of the box. The gold foil instantly transformed a simple cake into a stunning, high-end masterpiece. The way it caught the light was mesmerizing, and it added an opulent flair that made the cake the centerpiece of the celebration. The reflective quality of the gold was perfect, creating a dazzling effect that wowed everyone. It's an affordable way to elevate the presentation of any dessert, whether it's for a wedding, birthday, or other special occasions. Number 4. Gold Leaf Flakes for Resin. These shimmering gold flakes add a touch of elegance to any project. They're perfect for resin jewelry, nail art, and more. Each 10-gram bottle is beautifully packaged and includes a convenient storage container. It's the perfect size for crafting. Use it in resin jewelry, acrylic painting, nail art, slime, or even home decor. The possibilities are endless. These flakes create a vibrant, laser-like effect that won't fade or oxidize easily. Your creations will stay stunning. From resin jewelry to nail art and home decor, it's a versatile addition to your crafting supplies. Get creative. Remember, these flakes are for decorative use only and are not edible. Keep them away from food. We're dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, our customer service team is always happy to help. What we like. This gold leaf is incredibly versatile and creates a stunning, shiny effect. If you're into resin jewelry, nail art, or any DIY project that needs a metallic touch, this is your go-to choice. Its vibrant color won't fade, making your creations last. What people say. The flakes are good quality and true to image. I did have to gently pull them into smaller pieces to use on my nails. This is such a beautiful, high-quality tub of gold. I was searching for something that would work well with UV resin jewelry and this went beyond my expectations. I'm so impressed with the quality, size, everything. A lot comes in the package and the quality is great. Number 3. KINNO Gold Leaf Sheets. These versatile gold leaf sheets offer endless creative possibilities. With 12 vibrant colors and 600 sheets in total, you'll have plenty to work with on your next project. Each sheet measures 3.15 by 3.35 inches, and they're carefully packaged to protect their delicate nature. The convenient individual packaging makes them easy to use. This set includes 12 stunning colors, from classic gold and silver to vibrant hues like red, green, and purple. There's a perfect shade for every project. Use them for gilding, resin art, makeup accents, or to add a touch of elegance to furniture and home decor. The possibilities are endless. Made from a high-quality alloy, these sheets closely mimic the look of 24K gold and silver. They're designed to maintain their vibrant color and shine. Remember, these sheets are thin and delicate. Take your time, and consider watching a tutorial to learn the best application techniques for flawless results. What we like. With 12 colors and 600 sheets, this pack offers amazing value and creative possibilities. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for various craft projects, from home decor to nail art, this is perfect. The variety of colors lets you explore your creativity. What people say. Each color was sent in its own plastic wrap, with cardboard labeled on the top of each stack to tell you what each color is. Each sheet of foil is between 2 layers of thin paper. I have rarely had any issues grabbing only one sheet of foil. These hold up in both epoxy resin and UV resin, and don't seem to discolor in heat or UV sunlight. They also don't leach color into the solvent, which is great. The whole sheet is the full color as well, so a sheet of red will be red on both sides and not silver-backed, for example. Number 2. YongBo Gold Leaf Sheets. These 100 gold leaf sheets are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any project. Each sheet is carefully sandwiched between tissue paper for easy handling and protection. Transform old furniture into stunning gold masterpieces. It's easy to apply and creates a beautiful, luxurious finish. Add a touch of sparkle and shine to your handmade crafts. They're ideal for adding a luxurious touch to cards, scrapbooks, and more. Create unique and eye-catching fashion accessories. Use them on clothing, shoes, or bags for a bold and stylish look. Achieve a luxurious, shiny finish on your nails. It's simple to apply and creates beautiful, unique designs. Make eye-catching jewelry pieces with ease. Cut them into different shapes and sizes to create pendants, earrings, and more. Gild picture frames, mirrors, and more to add a touch of luxury to your home. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any room. What we like. These large sheets are perfect for larger projects. If you're looking for an economical way to add a gold accent to furniture or larger crafts, this is your best bet. The large size makes it easy to cover larger surfaces. Number 1. Speedball Mona Lisa Gold Leaf Kit. Elevate your crafting projects with this comprehensive kit. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your metal leaf gilding projects. This kit provides everything you need to create stunning metal leaf designs. It's easy to use, even for beginners. Inside, you'll find 25 sheets of high-quality gold composition metal leaf, adhesive, and a sealer. Everything is included for a seamless crafting experience. The metal leaf is made of 85% copper and 15% zinc, offering a beautiful, authentic look and feel. It's a fraction of the cost of genuine gold leaf. With its simple application and included instructions, it's easy to achieve professional-looking results. Get ready to transform your projects. It's ideal for a wide range of projects, from picture frames to decorative boxes. Let your creativity shine. Get the look of genuine gold leaf without the high price tag. This kit offers exceptional value and quality. What we like. This complete kit has everything you need to start a metal leaf project. If you're a beginner or need a convenient all-in-one solution, this kit is perfect. It simplifies the process and ensures a professional finish. What people say. The directions were very simple and to follow. The size of the gold leaf is perfect for the painting I'm working on. I love how it comes with everything you need and very functionally, and the durability will last forever. I have only use on canvas and wood. Great starter set for gold leaf. Comes with almost everything to get started. The directions were easy and very straightforward. This set comes with 25 sheets that are perfect size for working. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.